So here is a little geometric trick I came up with today, and this is a profile of a wing. So it would look like this if I extruded it. But the problem is how to create a line exactly between this one and this one. When it comes to wings, that line is called the camber line. But this trick could, of course, be used to create the lines between any splines on the same plane. So first, I wasn't sure if this would work, but yeah, it turned out it worked great. And I need to first edit the sketch and create some geometry here, just a construction line there, and over here at the other end. So I got the line that is perpendicular to where this starts. So next I use them to make a plane at angle, and I want to sketch perpendicular to this plane, so 90 degrees, and repeat, same over here. And for the sketches, sketch on this plane, and I need to project these 2 points so I have something to grab onto. And then I want to create a square here. So I want to use this 3-point rectangle beginning at the top and put a point somewhere out here and something down there. And I want the lower point here to be coincident with that point. And to make it a perfect square, we set equal constraint between those lines. So finish sketch, and as you see, this point is, if I look from the side, this point is perfectly in the middle between those two, as it's a square. So I want to use that to my advantage. And over here, same thing on this plane. So where am I? There. First, project those 2 points and the square. Coincident constraint between these and equal constraint, like so. So that's the square. And now I can use loft between these 2 squares. Doesn't look like much here, but I want to use these lines as guide rails. So be sure to not have chain selection checked and go to this point, this selection button, and select the upper one and the lower one. So if I look from the side, let's see, this line has to be in the middle now. Okay. And make a new sketch in the same plane as the first one. So there I want to project all the geometry needed. So project this line and hide the body and project all of the profile outside there. So now we got our sketch, and we can check if this really is in the middle by creating a plane along path, like so. Sketch on that. And if I project, no, I have to use project intersect here. I want a point where this line intersects our sketch plane, and also down here. And if I now create a line from here straight down and apply a midpoint constraint between the line and that point where our camber line goes. This point seems to match up very close to our point, so I'm not sure if it's a rounding error or if it's not perfectly correct. But if I make a line between here, as you can see, it's fractions of a millimeter. Yeah, and yeah, that's it.